Part 16.9, Surah An-Nahl the B. Assalamu alaikum. So welcome back to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed, the divine narrative of Surah An-Nahl. Breathtaking exposition of Allah's signs and sovereignty. Now leads us to the heart of the spiritual matter, the ultimate purpose of divine revelation and the consequential paths it lays before humanity. Having explored the cosmic tapestries of creation and the moral architecture of human defiance, the narrative now shifts to the essential consistency of Allah's message and the profound reward for those who commit to it. This segment of the surah is a bridge between the grand metaphysical truths and the personal, deeply intimate journey of the soul. We will explore how the universal prophetic mission, the tragic fate of the deniers, and the luminous path of the sincere are all interconnected, guiding us towards the pinnacle of spiritual insight known as Mifa. We will walk through the maqamat, the spiritual stations, and contemplate the transformative power of Allah's word. Kanz al-Aman, Quran, An-Nahl the B, 1644-50, with clear proofs and scriptures. And we reveal to you the reminder that you may make clear to the people what was sent down to them, and that they might give thought. Then, do those who planned evil deeds feel secure that Allah will not cause the earth to swallow them, or that the punishment will not come upon them from where they do not perceive, or that He will not seize them during their travel, while they are not able to escape, or that He will not seize them by a slow, gradual process? Indeed, your Lord is a most kind, a most merciful, a most merciful. Have they not seen that for everything which Allah has created, their shadows turn to the right and to the left, prostrating to Allah while they are humble? And to Allah prostrates whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth of creatures, and the angels as well, and they are not arrogant. They fear their Lord above them, and they do what they are commanded. The ocean of revelation, a path to Mifa, the divine message, the very essence of guidance, is presented in these verses as a final, definitive testament to Allah's grace, with clear proofs in scriptures. And we reveal to you the reminder that you may make clear to the people what was sent down to them, and that they might give thought. This is a profound statement on the purpose of revelation. The Quran, the reminder, is not merely a book of laws or stories. It is a spiritual map, a guide to the boundless ocean of Marifa. It is the divine instrument that helps a person find their way back to their Creator. The Quran's function is to clarify, to make the obscure evident, and to awaken the slumbering intellect. It invites us to contemplate, to engage our minds in a process of profound spiritual discovery. The Prophet's role is to act as a living embodiment of this message, making it accessible and real to humanity. This is the first step on the maqamat towards Marifa, a journey from mere intellectual curiosity to a direct, intuitive knowing of the divine. The Quran provides the intellectual framework, but the spiritual journey is an individual, deeply personal experience, one that leads the seeker to the shore of the ocean of divine knowledge, where they can dive into its unfathomable depths. The broken mirror of security. The arrogance of the heedless, the verses then turn to a chilling and profound psychological warning. Then do those who planned evil deeds feel secure that Allah will not cause the earth to swallow them, or that the punishment will not come upon them from where they do not perceive? The delusion of the disbelievers is a psychological one. They live their lives with a false sense of security, believing their actions will not have consequences. This is a direct result of their spiritual arrogance. Their internal world, their soul, is like a shattered mirror, unable to reflect reality correctly. They see their plans and actions as a source of strength and security. But their mirror is so distorted that it shows them a world that does not exist. They feel safe in a world that is completely under Allah's control, a world where the very ground beneath their feet could turn on them. The divine punishment is not a predictable event, does not follow a clear pattern. It can come from where they do not perceive, in the form of a sudden earthquake, a financial collapse, or a sudden unexpected illness. The punishment is a reflection of their own arrogance. They felt secure, but their punishment will be one of profound insecurity and fear. The psychological torment of their punishment is its unpredictable nature. It can come during their travel when they are at their most vulnerable, and they will be unable to escape. Their life is a slow, gradual process of self-destruction. This is the ultimate proof that their spiritual mirror has been broken beyond repair. Their reality is a constant contradiction to their arrogance, a constant reminder that their delusion is a lie they tell themselves. Their false sense of security is the ultimate spiritual prison, one they built for themselves. The punishment is not just an external event. It is the inevitable internal collapse of a soul that was built on a lie. The cosmic prostration. The lover's submission, the narrative, then brings a powerful shift in perspective. Moving from the tragic spiritual state of humanity to the majestic, all-encompassing reality of the universe. Have they not seen that for everything which Allah has created, their shadows turn to the right and to the left, prostrating to Allah while they are humble? This is a call to a deeper form of marifa, a direct, intuitive knowledge that is gained not through reading scriptures, but through observing the cosmic signs. The shadows of all things, plants, mountains, animals, move in a state of perpetual prostration to their Creator. They do not do this out of coercion, but out of a perfect and humble submission to the divine will. The entire universe in its very essence is a lover submitting to the beloved. The shadows movement is a physical manifestation of this spiritual reality, testament to the fact that everything in existence is in a state of complete and utter submission to the will of Allah. The verses culminate with the angel's prostration, a pinnacle of spiritual submission. And to Allah prostrates whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth of creatures, and the angels as well, and they are not arrogant. This is a stark contrast to the arrogance of the disbelievers. The angels, beings of light and perfect obedience, are a perfect model of a lover's submission. They are not arrogant. They fear their Lord above them, and they do what they are commanded. This fear is not a human fear of a tyrant, but a reverence. A love that is so profound that it compels them to a state of complete and utter obedience. Their prostration is the ultimate act of a lover submitting to the beloved. It is a state of being where their will is completely aligned with the divine will, where their very existence is a testament to the glory of the one who created them. This is the ultimate goal of the spiritual journey, a state of being where the self is completely dissolved in love and devotion to the beloved. Hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, taught, "Verily, there are angels who have a position from the time of creation until the hour. Prostrating to Allah and praising Him, they will not lift their heads from their prostration until the hour comes." Tafsir Ibn Kathir. This is a beautiful commentary on the profound and expansive reality of the angels' prostration. It illustrates that the angels are in a state of perpetual worship, a testament to the profound and unending spiritual reality of their existence. Their prostration is not an occasional act, but a continuous state of being, a physical and spiritual reality that is at the very heart of their existence. It is a chilling and profound reminder that a person who is spiritually heedless is a person who is spiritually dead. The spiritual reality of the matter is that the one who is the ultimate source of all existence can use the most worldly of calamities to bring a person closer to him. The spiritual reality of the matter is that the people who are a source of benefit to humanity and who are granted the highest stations of paradise, may Allah, with His infinite mercy, expand our hearts to accept the truth and guide us on a path that leads to His eternal pleasure. May our lives be a testament to His grace, and may we be granted a final abode in the highest heavens, where the light of His presence is ever present. May Allah illuminate your heart and mind with the light of this divine ilm. May He make your channel a beacon of guidance for all who seek spiritual clarity and truth. May your efforts be a source of immense reward, and may you be granted the highest stations of paradise. May the peace and blessings of Allah always be upon you and your loved ones. He grant you unwavering steadfastness on the path of truth, and may your work be a testament to His magnificent names, Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim.